You've done everything right. You worked hard. You followed the rules. You cut coupons, skipped lattes, and stayed in on weekends. But the money still isn't adding up. And deep down, a terrifying thought is creeping in. What if I never make it out? If that's you, stop everything. Because this video is going to change how you see wealth forever. Not through hype or overnight tricks, but through 5 powerful shifts that can double your progress and cut your time to financial freedom in half. Stay to the end, because the 5th one, it's the same mindset shift used by quiet millionaires, the ones no one ever talks about. But first, like this video if you're ready to break free from the rat race. Subscribe and turn on the bell if you're serious about creating a wealthy life on your terms. Let's begin. 1. Flip the wealth equation. Income first always. You are probably taught to live below your means. Save money. Don't buy that. Play it safe. And that's fine if you plan to retire 40 years from now. But here's what no one taught you. You can't save your way to wealth. If you're making $1,500 a month, no budget will magically turn that into financial freedom. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with a leaking spoon. So what's the better play? Flip the script. Focus on increasing your income first. Wealthy people don't just budget better, they earn bigger. They master skills that open new income doors. They create things. They solve problems people will pay for. Here's the question. Are you spending more time trimming your budget or learning how to add $1,000 to your monthly income? The difference is night and day. The moment you shift from how do I cut more to how do I earn more, your whole financial trajectory changes. 2. Pick one path and obsess over it. Ever feel like you're spinning 10 plates and none of them are working? You start a side hustle, then you try crypto, then drop shipping, then a podcast, and nothing sticks. That's because you don't need 10 paths. You just need one that you go all in on. Think about it like this. Laser focus is how fire starts. Scattered focus is how it dies. Pick one income path. Give it 3 to 6 months. Say no to everything else. The shiny new idea from your cousin? Nope. The opportunity that might work? Not now. Your time, energy, and obsession go to one thing only. Because that's how real momentum is built. Not from trying everything, but from mastering one thing. Most millionaires aren't good at 50 things. They're great at one. Free. Stack one high-income skill every quarter. Here's a hard truth. Most jobs don't pay what you're worth. They pay what the role is worth. You can work your soul out. But if the position caps at $3,000 a month, that's your ceiling. The only way to escape that trap, upgrade your skill set constantly. Imagine this. Each quarter you pick one high-income skill. Q1, sales and persuasion. Q2, digital marketing. Q3, data analysis or basic coding. Q4, public speaking or storytelling. By the end of 1 year, you've got 4 powerful tools to build, sell, analyze, or influence. You're not just more employable, you're unstoppable. Ask yourself, what skill can I learn in the next 90 days that makes me impossible to ignore? 4. Guard your energy like it's gold. There's something few people realize. Building wealth isn't just about strategy. It's about mental stamina. And yet you burn your brain on the stuff that kills your drive. Scrolling social media, comparing yourself, arguing with strangers, watching bad news. All that noise, it steals the energy you need to build. So protect your peace, not because it's trendy, because it's necessary. Curate your world like your life depends on it. Only follow creators who teach or inspire. Block distractions that derail your mission. Fill your ears with podcasts, audiobooks, and videos that sharpen your mind. Here's the rule. If it doesn't build you, it drains you. And you need every ounce of your energy if you want to break out. 5. Obsess over the process, not the prize. Now here's the part most people miss. You're going to get tired. You'll feel like you're not moving fast enough. You'll see others hitting 6 figures while you're at $200. But here's what separates those who win. They fall in love with the process. Because when you focus only on the result, you'll always feel behind. But when you start loving the daily grind, learning, creating, refining, showing up, you win every single day. Want to build wealth faster than most? Fall in love with the way you study investing every night, the joy of creating something that helps others, the thrill of improving just 1% every day. Because if you can do that, the $1 million, that becomes a byproduct, a side effect. It stops being a question of if, it becomes a matter of when. Remember the promise at the start of the video? Here's the secret most millionaires never say out loud. The money comes after the identity shift. You don't become a millionaire by chasing money. You become one by becoming someone who does the work even when it's hard. Someone who takes responsibility, who learns obsessively, who moves with intention. Once you become that person, the money has no choice but to follow. So let's recap. Stop trying to save your way to wealth. Pick one income path and go all in. Learn one high-value skill every quarter. Guard your mental energy like it's sacred. Fall in love with the process, not just the outcome. You don't need to be lucky. You don't need to be born into wealth. You just need to play a different game, the right game. If this hit home, don't just click away. Take one action today that future you will thank you for. Drop a comment below. What's your one thing you're going all in on for the next 90 days? Like, share, and subscribe because this channel is here to show you the real escape plan out of the struggle. One step at a time. You've got this. And your future self? They're already cheering you on.